Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel, Do This Digital Talk. In this tutorial, I will be showing you step by step on how to join Zoom meeting using link. This is a Zoom meeting link provided. All you need to do is just click on the link you are given to join the meeting. It will prompt you to use a different app. In this tutorial, I'll be using my Zoom app. So all I need to do is click on just once to be able to use that Zoom app, and it will be loading. Try to connect. So in this scenario, I will be waiting for the admin of the meeting to admit me to the meeting. As you can see, please wait. The meeting host will let you in soon. So once the host admits me, it will turn to connecting. This may take a few moments. Now, I'm on in the meeting. Now, all you need to do from here is click on call via device audio. If you don't click on it, I'm already in the meeting, but I will not be able to know what is going on in the meeting. I will not be able to hear what they are saying in the meeting. So all you need to do from here is just click on call via device. Then all that is happening in the meeting, you'll be able to hear it. And at the same time, you can, in the course of this recording, I've moved my audio so that anything that is going on around me will not disturb the meeting. And at the same time, I'm using just only my picture in the meeting. So I can at the same time use my video. I can use my video. As you can see, my video is showing under by the right hand corner now. But because of the Nigeria network, I will advise you don't use your video. I will advise you don't use your video. Then make sure your audio is also mute. Yeah. So from with this, you can listen to whatever is going on in the meeting without disturbing them. And at the same time, if you are to contribute, make sure to turn on to unmute your audio. So once you unmute your audio, people in the meeting will be able to hear what you are saying. And once you are done, you can as well mute your video. You can mute your audio back. So that is that about how to join Zoom meeting using link. If this video is of help, give us a thumb up, and at the same time, don't forget to like uh, my channel. Thank you for watching.